Hey, what's up everyone? Today, I've got two cases that were sent out to me for review. This brand is one of my favorites, so thanks to Obliq for allowing me to bring them to you. Enin here from U Droid Mania, and you're watching my Obliq Case review. So let's do this. First up, we have the Slim Meta. This dual layer case is slim but protective with military shock and drop protection. This case has a brushed aluminum look. It comes in multiple colors and is available for both the S9 and the S9 Plus. In case you're wondering, I am using the Whitestone Dome screen protector here. I've got a link down below if you're interested, but make sure you stay tuned till the end if you want a discount on it. Coming back to the case, it does have a pretty tight fit, but it does install nicely, and you can definitely feel the quality here. With that, let's go ahead and take the tour. Starting from the bottom of the case, you'll find that the cutouts are on point, and on the right hand side, there's what appears to be a lanyard cutout. You'll also see where I started to separate the two parts of the case. You don't need to do that. Moving up, you've got the Bixby and up and down volume buttons. They're not the easiest to press, but they do respond. Up top, you've got the cutout for the noise cancelling mic, and you can see that the corners have added protection. On the left hand side of the case, you've got the power button. It works the same as the others. On the back of the case, for those of us relearning the position of the fingerprint scanner, you've got a nice guide here. Also, if you do intend on using the heart rate or the blood pressure monitor, with this case you'll have to remove it. Finally, along the bottom you've got some Obliq branding. Here's a quick look at the color options, and I don't think that you can go wrong with any of them. You'll find the best deals on eBay if you're interested, and I've got links down below, so go and check them out. Next up, we have the Flex Pro. This is a one-piece case with military-grade shock and drop protection. It's super sleek and looks great on the phone. And I really enjoy the carbon fiber and leather look and the way it feels in the hand. With this case, I don't worry about dropping my phone. Again, there's plenty of room for your screen protector, along with a decent-sized bezel to guard your display. I really enjoy the added grip here on the sides of the case, and I'm sure you would too. What I like most is that it's rather light, because the S9 Plus does have a bit more weight this go round, so it's nice to protect the phone without a lot of bulk. Just another quick mention that you can't reach that heart rate monitor with this case either. This is not a big issue for me though, because I rarely use it. So we're moving on. Overall, when it comes to Obliq cases, ever since I started using them, I keep them in my collection. For me, these cases fall right in the middle since you know I like thin cases and usually go for design. When I'm using an Obliq case, I don't feel like I need to choose, which is awesome for me, because it's like they've combined the best parts of what I like about other brands into their cases. Check out the links down below for more information. Okay, so there you guys have it. Today, I hope I've given you enough information to decide if these cases are for you. If so, you know what to do. With Obliq, I know where I stand, and right now, I'm using the Flex Pro on my Galaxy S9 Plus. Speaking of which, I no longer have the lilac. I'm giving that phone to my wife when I'm done, and she wanted blue. So if you noticed, now I have the coral. Anyway, before I let you go, you should know that I have 50% off discount codes for the Whitestone Dome screen protector for the S9, the S9 Plus, and the Galaxy Note 8. I've only got 10 for each one, so if you want one, make sure that you're subscribed and be one of the first 10 people to email me. These are for Amazon and the US only. If you've enjoyed this video, do leave a thumbs up, and if you're new here, make sure that you subscribe to take part of the fun. As always, I'd like to thank you for watching, and I'll talk to you in my next one.